It's Don from 12 Tomatoes. Today we are making Chicago-style Giardiniera. Yes, your favorite fermented vegetable condiment is back. If you haven't tried Giardiniera, this is the recipe you gotta try. Let's do it. First thing you want to do is create a brine. You're going to start with some salt and some water, whisk it up until it's dissolved. Then you're going to add in all of your chopped vegetables, so your peppers, your cauliflower, your carrots. Then go ahead and give that a big toss, cover it with a loose fitting lid and let that ferment overnight. Next step, we want to make our vinaigrette. So in a bowl, we're going to combine olive oil with some white vinegar, some minced garlic, some dried oregano, crushed red pepper flakes, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Give that a big whisk and set that aside. This is gonna be our flavor. Sometimes you can just stop with the fermented liquid, but we're Chicago style. We like that flavor, that vinegary bite. Next thing you wanna do is drain your vegetables. Drain all that salty brine water and store these vegetables in the container you wanna keep them in. Next, you want to coat it in all that vinaigrette. This is what's going to preserve it and give it all that flavor and taste real good, baby.
12 Tomatoes.